WUSA 9 Weather Impact is sponsored by Morgan & Morgan.
Grab the heavier coat as you step outside Thursday morning. Temperatures across the region near, if not just below, the freezing mark. Now, it's not as cold as it has been over the past several mornings, but we are starting off around 33 degrees in D.C., right at the freezing mark in Leesburg and Manassas, 30 back into Frederick, 31 in Front Royal, mid to upper 30s down through southern Maryland. But the catch with Thursday is that we don't get a whole lot warmer throughout the day. Temperatures are going to top off in the 30s. It's going to feel much cooler than our Wednesday forecast, where we did make it back into the mid 40s. But Thursday, much colder and much windier. That's going to add a wind chill factor to the forecast and make it feel like the 20s throughout the day. Now, don't be discouraged if you wake up Thursday and it's still mostly cloudy. We will have some clouds around in the morning, but clearing skies and nice sunshine throughout the afternoon. That will be such a nice welcome change after what has been a pretty cloudy couple of days. We do see blue sky back, but it is going to be on the colder side. Now, looking ahead to Friday, we do still have the chance for a few flurries, though it's looking less impressive than it did earlier this week. For the most part, we'll just wake up with temperatures a little bit colder, some clouds from time to time, with otherwise temperatures that make it a degree or two less cold, we'll call it. Can't even say warmer than Thursday. We'll stay in the upper 30s to low 40s for high temperatures. Again, only a low chance you see a few stray flakes on Friday. Then as we look ahead to the weekend, we've got a better chance for flakes overnight Saturday and into early Sunday morning. So we'll start the weekend on Saturday with partly cloudy skies, temperatures not as cold as it's been. We'll be back in the mid to low 40s. So all in all, a nice December day. Yes, a little chilly, and yes, still below average. Our cold start to the month continues, but 45 on Saturday is going to feel better than 34 on Sunday. Any snow showers in the morning are super short-lived. They're out of here by mid to late morning, and we'll even see some sunshine throughout the afternoon. But let's talk a little bit more about that snow come Sunday morning, because there is still plenty of uncertainty in the forecast. We're talking about a forecast on Sunday, and it's only late Wednesday into Thursday, but we are looking at a burst of snow showers late Saturday night into early Sunday. This is a short duration snow event. It's not a big blizzard, and there's not a lot of moisture with it. So we're really not talking about much in terms of accumulation, and the exact track of the storm will of course dictate where we see the most snow accumulate. But this is Saturday, 6 o'clock at night. We start to see some mountain snow showers develop. And this does look to be a good little system for some of our local ski areas, the higher elevation where we get some of that upslope snow, that enhanced snow with the mountainous terrain. By 11 o'clock Saturday night, we start to see a few more flakes around the metro area. You do see some pink and green on the map, which, you know, typically indicates ice or rain, but I really think that by the time any of this moisture gets in here, temperatures are going to be cold enough for a purely snow event. And then as we head into the overnight hours, this is 4 a.m. on Sunday, so hopefully while you're sleeping, we do see a steadier burst of snow, some heavier bands setting up right along the I-95 corridor from Baltimore down into D.C. Now, this is really where the biggest question is right now. Most of our long-range computer models are in agreement that we do see this weak wave, this weak clipper system pass pretty directly overhead. But where we get those heavier bands, that can be flexible. That will likely change here over the next several days. But where we do see them set up, could see a quick half an inch to an inch of snow. Now, this is 8 a.m. We are already winding down to just flurries around the metro area. Still some steadier snow showers in southern Maryland, and by lunchtime, it is all out of here, and we'll see some clear skies for the second half of Sunday. Now, right now, as it stands, if that solution were to come to fruition, we'd be looking at a pretty widespread half an inch to an inch and a half, maybe even 2 inches of snow. So minor accumulation. Timing is our friend as well. Again, this is overnight Saturday and into Sunday morning. So yes, if you do have to be on the road early Sunday, this would potentially impact your weekend. But otherwise, I mean, we don't have school to worry about. Folks won't be commuting for the most part. So all in all, the timing, again, working in our favor just a bit with this next brush with winter weather. Now, as that clipper system pulls away from us, we're going to see wind shifting in from the north and west, and that's going to usher in some really cold temperatures. By Monday morning, temperatures feel like the single digits and low teens across the region. This could be our coldest start to the season, which otherwise was on Tuesday morning with temperatures down in the teens at Dallas, 14 degrees at Dallas, 20 in DC. But we could press those temperatures come Monday morning. Could be even colder, and with all of the gusty wind, certainly going to feel colder. By midday on Monday, still only feels like the mid to upper teens, and throughout the afternoon, feels like temperatures generally top off in the mid to low 20s. So we are in for a really, really chilly day on Monday. But the good news is, it's short-lived. By Tuesday, temperatures are back in the 40s, which is still about 10 degrees below average. And then temperatures do warm up, I guess a bit, we'll say, for the rest of next week in the mid to upper 40s. But notice, no day over the next 10 even comes close to average for this time in December. So our unseasonably cold stretch of weather continues as we head through the end of the month. Could end up being a record cold month. It's already been the coldest start to December since 2005, the coldest start in 20 years. And we are feeling every bit of it, especially as we look ahead to tomorrow. Temperatures in the 30s, but feeling like the 20s. Less wind on Friday and a degree or two warmer. But you know what? Saturday is going to feel really nice compared to the chill we have on Thursday. But all eyes will be looking ahead to that Sunday forecast. We'll, of course, keep an eye out if we need to issue a weather impact alert and fine-tune how much snow we can expect here over the next several days. But as we look ahead to next week, some nice December weather with sunshine and temperatures warming up day by day.